Hey guys, Ryan Jackson Airsoft here with another Airsoft gun review. Today we have a Polarstar. Let's go ahead and get into the gun, starting from the back. So in the back we have a Magpul Industries tan stock. I forget its actual name, but some Magpul trademarks and some serial numbers. The pistol grip is a EPG16, I believe Stark Industries grip, MFT. And at the bottom, I decided to take this off because I prefer it and it doesn't bend the hose as much. We have a speed trigger, and the body is a Full Metal Daniel Defense receiver. At the back we have a Troy Industries tan flip-up sight. We have some tan ladder rail covers. We have a knockoff brand EOTech, a VFC laser PEC box with a flashlight. It's a green laser. I love this thing, by the way. We have some other rail covers. I forget the name of it. And also we had to put the KWA free float rail on it. A Stark Industries angled / vertical grip. Moving near the front, we have a quick detach suppressor, mock suppressor. It's a Knight's Armament. You just pull this and it comes out. The barrel does go all the way to here. Semi full auto. This gun shoots around 380, 390 FPS. It has a ProWin hop-up and flat nub, and it shoots around 28, 29 rounds per second.